मेरी भोली री बिंदु, मेरी माथेरी बिंदु, मेरी सिंदूरी बिंदु, मेरी बिंदूरी बिंदु, मेरी प्रेम की नैया बीच भंवर में गुड़गुड़ गोते खाए, झटपट पार लगा दे, झटपट पार लगा दे। अपनी बैया गले में डार बन जा, मेरे गले का हार, झूले प्रेम हिंडोले, ओ झूले प्रेम हिंडोले।
Hi Bindu auntie, come, let's go for a ride. We are going to go through a small journey where you are going to meet your relatives and friends, not just to one city or state, all over the world. So let's go.
Wish you happy birthday, Celine. God bless you.
Hi Baba. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Amma.
We plan to come actually, but situation right now cannot come there. Flights are not there. Miss you. Wish you a very happy birthday. And yeah, I love you. Love you.
I love you too.
Miss you. We'll celebrate next year when you come. Big party for sure. 50 years. Thank you. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Mama. Stay blessed.
Happy birthday, Bindu.
Bindu, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you.
Hi dear, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. God bless you. Let us see you rocking in the next few years.
Happy birthday, Ammai.
Happy birthday, Ammai. You're not old, you're just 18 with 32 years of experience.
God bless you.
Have a fun day.
Bye.
Bye.
हाय बिंदु, अंबदाम बिरन्नाल आशंसകൾ. कभी मिलेगा पार्टी?
Hi, Bindechi.
ഹലോ ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ.
അമ്പതാം പിറന്നാൾ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന ബിന്ദു ചേച്ചിക്ക് എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു. ദൈവം സമൃദ്ധമായി അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ.
ബിന്ദേച്ചി ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ ടു യു.
ബിന്ദേച്ചിക്ക് ജന്മദിനത്തിന്റെ എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ ബിന്ദു ലിമ.
Many happy returns of the day, Williamji. Stay blessed. Stay home. Stay safe.
Williamji, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bindu Lima. Happy birthday, Bindu Lima.
You are very happy birthday, auntie.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Bindu Babi. Stay blessed always.
Hi, Bombay madam. Wish you happy birthday.
Wish you happy birthday, Mommy. God bless. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bindu. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Celine, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you're having a wonderful time. Have a wonderful day, a great year ahead, and stay blessed always. Loads of love and hugs. I'm very thankful for having you in my life. Remember the times we spent together in the afternoons, during school, and going back together in the evening to pick up our siblings. Oh, I love and cherish all those memories. So glad to have you as a friend. Take care. Bye.
मेरी प्यारी बिंदु, अरे बिंदु रे बिंदु, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये साल आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी दिल की आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे बिंदु. यू रिमेम्बर? याद है हम लोग ताड़ी पीने को जा रहे थे, हम लोग नारियल निकाल के इधर उधर घूम रहे थे, पूरा दिन इधर उधर नाच रहे थे. खाड़ खेलेंगे ना घर के बाहर बैठ के. चलो आ जाओ.
Happy birthday, Bindu
मैं
auntie.
आऊंगी फिर हम लोग साथ
say hello, baby, this is your party. We sing hidey ho, just get up, it's your birthday.
Dear Celine, many happy returns of the day. God bless you in abundance on this special birthday of yours. You are a beautiful mother. You are an awesome mother who cares for everyone. You are a loving teacher who takes care of so many students. And you are a loving friend. And you are a sweet sister to all. God bless you, dear. Let God be with you always, and He may bless you to celebrate many more birthdays. Thank you and God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Celine. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Celine. Happy birthday to you. Chumma de bhai, chumma. Hi Celine. Happy to know that today is your birthday. Much more happier as it is the 50th birthday. Have a great day at home during this lockdown. I just want to tell you, you mean a lot to me, as I have worked with you in the primary section for almost 3 years. You are a very kind, loving and caring person. You are adorable, and I also want to tell you, I know through great difficulties you have come up in life, but today you stand firm, crossing all those difficult paths. I wish you all the best in your Tonian Child Center for the years to come. Be the same, please do not change, as you are adorable, loving, kind. Have a great birthday and God bless you. Today, without fail, I'll offer the evening mass for all your good intentions. Bye. Happy birthday, Celine. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Celine. Happy birthday to you. It's a happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's a happy birthday. It's a happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Celine. Children, happy birthday, Celine. Children. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Celine. Happy birthday to you. Clap, 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 clap. Hana, clap. Clap.
Happy birthday to you. Then you'll find that life won't be that hard. Life was dumb, the fog was torn. When you were born and I was drawn into the light that's shining bright. Happy
50 साल की बुढ़ी हो गई, पर अभी तो तू जवान है. Always stay young at heart.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. clap and clap. Yes. Happy birthday, Celine. May you have a great day and an amazing year ahead. May God bless you and keep you safe always. And may our friendship always bloom and blossom over the years. And all the very best for this coming year.
Hi, Jards. Firstly, congrats on completing half a century. A very happy birthday to you. May God bless you with the best of health and keep you always smiling. As this is a special day today of your life, I would like to dedicate a song to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jars. Happy birthday to you. Bye. Have a nice day. May God bless you. Love you.
हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हाथों की लकीरें बदल
तो हमने लाख हंसी देखे हैं, तुम सा नहीं देखा, तुम सा नहीं देखा.
जो कि वो प्यारी टीचर हमारे लिए वो लाइफ की टीचर.
Always available to all, facing problems big and small.
हमेशा सब खुश रहे, यही आपकी आशा. अल्टीमेटली बिंदु चेची आप हो वुमेन पावर की एग्जाम्पल और शांति दूत की हो एग्जाम्पल.
नहीं देखा, तुम सा नहीं देखा.
हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर बिंदु चेची.
हाय बहन, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हेलो बिंदु, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Happy birthday, Bindu auntie.
Bye. Okay.
Bye. Enjoy your day. Take care.
Sammy.
Hi, Jay.
Hi, Chechi.
Today is Bindu auntie's 50th birthday. Would you like to give a small message to her?
Yes. I know what I'm saying.
That is speak
That's
Chinese.
happy birthday in Chinese.
Happy birthday, Bindu auntie. May God bless you on this 50th birthday.
Hey, me. Where is mummy and papa?
Oh, they're back there.
Hi, Saver uncle, Leena auntie. Today is Bindu auntie's 50th birthday. Would you like to give a small message to her?
Yes. बिंदु बहन, आपको आपके 50वें जन्मदिन पर शुभकामनाएं. आशा करता हूं कि आपकी सभी मनोकामनाएं पूरी हो, आप खुश रहें और खुशी बांटें.
खुश रहती है और सभी को खुशी बांटती है, इसीलिए वो स्पेशल है. So, these special wishes for a special person on her special day, sending you birthday wishes packed with loads of joy and peace of our Lord, especially for you on this day. You, the golden girl of today, be happy today and every day. Happy birthday, Bindu Chechi.
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Bindu, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bindu, your 50th birthday. God bless you. Have a wonderful year ahead. Take care. And it was a wonderful journey with you. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, Bindu auntie. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Be hale and hearty like this. Now, let's see where mommy is. Hey, ma, where are you?
Hey, Christina, I'm here watering the plants.
Oh, I see. Ma, do you remember that today is someone special's birthday?
Yes, it's my elder sister Bindu's birthday.
Are you happy, excited and enthusiastic?
Yes, we are excited, but at the same time sad because we cannot celebrate the day with her.
So, Ma, would you like to tell me some of your memories or the mischiefs that you both used to do when you were young?
Christina, Bindu is an elder sister of mine we were good friends in our childhood, and we enjoyed a lot climbing the mango tree, eating tamarind, and we had lots of friends, and we enjoyed a lot. Sisters like you are only made for people like me who are lucky. Be blessed to have a beautiful sister like you, who is a friend, who is a loving friend and a caring sister. Love you, Bindu. Happy birthday, Bindu.
Ma, it's not time to be sad. It's time to be happy because sister is 50. Hey, Pa.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Feeding fish.
You know today is Bindu Auntie's 50th birthday.
Wow, it was surprising to me.
So, Papa, would you like to give a message to her?
Yes. Hi Bindu, happy birthday. May the God bless you. Enjoy your birthday. Have a chicken, mutton and chilled beer. Have a blissful birthday. Enjoy the day.
Hi Godmother, Feliz cumpleaños. I'm happy to hear that you have crossed half century, but you still look sweet 16. God showers blessings upon you and blesses you with many more such years.
Hi Bindu, happy birthday. I love you. Amma, Bindu's birthday ആണ്.
ബിന്ദു ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ ബിന്ദു 50 വയസ്സായിട്ട് നിനക്ക് ദൈവം അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ ബസ്
Mama, Bindu's birthday ആണ്.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Bindu. God bless you. So today you have turned 50. Happy for you. Love you. And may all your wishes and dreams come true. Love you a lot. May God bless you. Stay home, stay blessed.
So, Bindu Auntie, we are here back to Mira Road. Hope you had a wonderful virtual ride with me. Wasn't this an exciting ride down to your memory lane? Meeting your relatives and friends. So, Bindu Auntie, don't be sad that we aren't there with you, but be happy that you're always there in our hearts. Happy halfway to 100.